How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And some of you guys probably watch my Fisker videos, and you've been like, dang, that has been an explosive move from where I alerted the buy signal, and it's just been insane. I just want to give a recap, give an update, show you guys my system for the recent subscribers. And honestly, if you're not in the Discord, you really just need to join the Discord because that is where you're going to get the system yourself. You're going to see the plays yourself. You're going to see what I think is good. I try to find like 1 to 2 stocks a week that are perfect for swing trading. So you get my entries and exits. I just alerted one today, but it's one of the cheapest Discords for the best quality of an over 95% win ratio. I'm telling you, you can't get better than that. And I don't know what else to tell you. If you like free money, it is as close as possible to that. I'm going to put the link into the YouTube comments below and the description if you want to join. So what you're seeing is Fisker, and I'm going to show you guys where I alerted this before, how we made so much money if you really did have this system and you just are like, I like Fisker, but I want to make sure I get a good entry, right? A lot of people has been buying this thing, just forever, right? Look at it, it's been going down, 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 down. But you might be like, well, where do I buy it? And we call this the band strategy. What I like to use is ATRs. These are kind of like Bollinger Bands, but they're not. They're like the ATR bands of where price is usually gets a correction. But what I use along with this is the EMA 10 and 20, which is the middle bands in between here. Because these middle bands will tell me, well, this is where price will go. It has to go, and it will go. It won't go forever and not touch the EMA 10 and 20. So the $1,000,000 question is when does it do? And if you look at constant videos that I've been producing, constant charts that I show you, anything that does not touch the EMA 10 in 1 month is long. And what do I mean by not touching? A lot of people are confused about the time distance. I call it time distance. So when you have a clear touch of the EMA 20 and it'll be counting as your EMA 10 too, and when it leaves it on this candle here, that is considered 1 day of not touching your EMA 10 and 20. Because as you can look, you're not touching your EMA 10 and 20 here. Now you're away from the bands. So you would never take a trade based on 1 day of not taking it, time distance. You want to see some, 2 to 3 weeks, somewhere in that range. So when you look at this and you see 2 to 3 weeks, you will get your first lower band touch right in here to a T. And I remember this day to a touch, it was at 14 cents and it went up pre-market like 100%, right? It was a massive pump because they were just refreshing the things. And I tell people I look for 10%, 20%, and I scale out and I look for that near thing. Now with this thing, this is a different stock. They had a bankruptcy news, right? They halted this in the beginning for 1 hour and it just went down instantly. What I like to do when I see this, I kind of refresh the data and I wait for another week, right? When you see a big move down, right? And so I alerted this back here in the 2 cent range and went to 1.63, but that's no problem because we know it has to hit the EMA 10, and guess how long it's been? Look at this distance. This is insane. If no one bought this at 2 cents, you're like, holy crap, that's insane. 229 2024 is the last touch. Remember, if it don't touch EMA 10 in 1 month, it's long. So look at this. We didn't touch the EMA 10 all the way till 415. So 229 to 329 and 329 to 415, about a 1 month and 2 weeks. But that's, in my opinion, that is not like bizarre because this is a bankruptcy stock. It's an OTC stock. So the rules are a little different, right? It doesn't have to hit it in 1 month. There's no, if that was a thing, everyone would be trading on that. But what we do is we base it on the lower band and then also a low K on the KDJ. If you look at the K on the KDJ, right in here were all buy signals. And then this candle right here was a 1.12 on the K on the KDJ. That is insane. Absolutely nuts. So right in here, you accumulate all your shares from 2 cents to 1.60. And I have amazing accumulation rules in my Discord. And guess what price does? Hits the EMA 10 for my first target. And then I sell 3/4 of my position here. And then I hold the rest for the EMA 20. And this is your home run hit. Look what it does to a T. Remember, price, tell yourself this, price will touch the EMA 10 and 20. That is powerful knowledge, I'm telling you. And if it don't do that within a certain amount of time, then it rushes to do it. It's been a week, a month, and like 2 weeks, and guess what? It finishes it out and finishes. But we already made massive money going up to the EMA 10 at 4 cents here, making 100%, and then we make another 100% to the EMA 20. So that is insane. So now you're like, well, where do I trade this now? Like, what do I look to get in? So obviously they're in talks, with getting bought out and stuff. I saw something like that. Fisker, stock alert, Ford automakers are in talks to buy near bankruptcy Fisker. So I understand that. I do think this has room to go, but we want to make sure we're buying below the EMA 10 with time distance. Will we get that? Will we get another area like that again? I don't know. But as you can see, having one trade like that can make you over 200% gains if you're using this strategy. And you wouldn't be bag holding, buying it all the way up in here and here, because none of this is meeting time distance, lower band touches, and you would have just got rid of all these false signals. I did trade the trade rate in here, bought it in here, sold it here, and bought it here for the EMA 20 touch. I did have some of that. But as you can see, when you have time distance, the trades are doing what? It hits the EMA 10 here, doesn't do it for about 3 weeks. Guess what? It shoots up and hits the EMA 10. It's doing it over and over again. We know it has to hit the EMA 20. Guess what it does? Hits the EMA 20, and the algos finish their mission. If it hits the EMA 20, we shouldn't be buying it, guys. We should not be buying it. Guess what it does? It goes down. The algos accomplish their mission. Do not fall into this trap. Okay, so right here, hits it to a T. Only algos could do something like that. And guess what? It goes down. Hits it to a T. Only algos can do that. Guess what it does? It goes down. If you did not have this system and my exact indicators, you'd be like, none of this would make sense. But when you are trading blind, this is what you're doing, and you're not understanding. You might have sold Fisker for a loss at 2 cents or even 1.63 right in here, got caught by a stop loss because the market makers wanted your shares. But if you turn this on, you're like, why the heck did I sell it at 1.63 or 1.80 or 2 cents when we had to hit the EMA 10? I should be selling at the EMA 20. That's where I should be selling. So keep that in mind, guys. Or some shares at the EMA 10 and then some at the EMA 20 is what I do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make an update. As you can see, the chart is not at a buy zone for me. I'm always alerting stocks, just like what you saw from Fisker before. I get in early and I sell my shares to the chaser. You do not want to be buying in when it's way up here and you're like, crap, I caught the top again. And then it goes down and now you just want to get break even again. That's not what you want to do. If you guys want to join a premium Discord, one of the best, I'm telling you, for the price, you won't have this, because I've been in other Discords that charge hundreds of dollars that just, make money on members, right? But I'm here to show you my exact trades. You go to RTK Swing Trades. These are my trades. These are swing trades. These are over 95% win ratio. These are where I say, I'm buying this Fisker at 2 cents, and you can see that in the alerts. I'm transparent. I know that I'm going to win. My success rate is so high that I'm. You can look at my journal. I'm sure that I'm going to win this trade over 95%. So you can follow my journey if you want. I'm not going to be like those traders that say, watch list by Fisker or Lucid, or Rivian. One of these will go, and then you bag hold the other two. You're going to know exact entries and exits. Okay, guys. So we have Brainstorm's alerts. He is a day trader. These aren't my trades. These are his, so he gets full credit. He's one of the best day traders you'll ever find. He has got WISA for a 300% run. These are your momentum trades. This is where you really get into the action, and the percentages are moving fast, right? Because if you guys know day trades, that's how day trades work. Education videos. In this section, you want to watch the indicator video right here. This is how you can get your chart to look like this. If all else fails, put the time in, watch these videos, and I promise you'll be successful. I wouldn't make that promise if I didn't know myself, because I've been doing this for over 6 years, and this is the only strategy that has made me stand a chance against this market. So I hope you guys do subscribe. If you want to join the Discord, click the link down below into the YouTube comments, and I'll pin the Discord link. It'll say join the premium Discord for my system alerts and my alerts. And when you click that link down below into the YouTube comments and description, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. This does not mean you're part of the Discord or subscribe. What you want to do is go to the premium chat, where what subscriptions say, hit the premium chat, hit, any of these channels. And when you click on these channels in the subscriptions area, it will opt you to subscribe. It is only $6 a month, and it will be the best investment of your life, guys. I'm telling you, from living experience and lots of members, I can show you testimonies over testimonies of people saying, I wish I found you sooner. I wish I didn't buy Fisker at $1. I wish that I saw your video. I wish I didn't buy Fisker at 10 cents when I could be buying it here. I get that all the time. But this is your chance to reform your trading, stop doing it on your own, do it from a professional standpoint, and do it from, you know what, this works, I'm going to follow it. And I'm living proof. So hope you guys join the premium Discord. I'm only going to keep it for $6. I should have it way higher, but I want as many as members as in early as possible. And also, guys, if you want to join, if you want to give this YouTube video a like, subscribe, and comment, and know when I would like Fisker, or just share me your average on Fisker, any type of engagement helps the algorithm share it to other people on YouTube. And hitting the like button means a lot to me. It really helps me want to make more videos. Thank you so much for joining and watching. I want you guys the best. Join the premium Discord. I'm telling you, you're going to get my best ideas. And for only $6, that's a no-brainer. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and see you in the Discord. Peace out.